They just don't do that. They want to give money.
It's a lie. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So here we'll be drawing the knots, adjusting knots. First we draw circles, pick our circle to the green dots, expand, and that will be diameter 28. Enter. Then we have diameter 16. Enter, and we have diameter 8 again. 8. Enter. Yeah. Then we begin to extrude. Finish sketch. The first extrusion is 8 for the biggest guy. Yeah. Or let's start with this guy. Extrude. This guy, who is the longest guy, should be 16, but inwards. 16. Then add to this as well. Is 8. 8. Okay. Yeah. We come back home. Then we need to thread inside here. Let's thread M8 1.2. Yeah. That's all. When we come to the next, let's pick our chamfer to then this edge. Let's just use one so it doesn't look too much. Then okay, and finish. Okay, so in continuation we do the same thing here. Chamfer of these joints, same as it. One, apply, then we rotate to the back. Okay, cancel. We rotate to the back, apply fillet onto this joint, 2 mm. Yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, so for this place